ask me, all these other rappers are lame. That's right, cuz all these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. I'm from the old school. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. They ain't like me. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. They ain't got the juice from the middle of the sticks. I don't give a fuck, bitch. Where you from, bitch? Put me on, cause I ain't paying for shit. If you ain't heard about me, then you're just late for the flick. Bitch, I'm the star. Contacting from the Russian space station, trying to reach the nation with my California. I got a UFO, kids, and we can go to the moon. You ain't heard about freelance? Man, he's hotter than June. Chili Peppers, he is hotter than whoever. Hotter than your dad wearing sweaters in the middle of the weather. Yeah, while it's hot. What is wrong with you, Dad? Are you off the pot? Hurry up, get in the truck. You're looking like a little flush. Take a drink of this bottle. Not that, that'll get you drunk, Dad. Dad. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. Lame as fuck. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. Lame as fuck. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. All these other rappers are lame. If you ask me, all these other rappers are lame. Fuck you, lamer than fuck. Yeah. Lamer to being stuck. Stuck like Chuck, flat-footed like Donald Duck. Not really giving a fuck. Lighting shit up and pouring shit in my cup and slurping up. I never stop turning up. All you motherfuckers are weak. Fuck, I'm the beast. I could drink you off the table. When I was 13, I'd probably drink you out the table with my granny. We could smoke you and drink you and pop you and smoke you under the table. We are able. Call me Captain Crable. Hotter than Clark Gable. Smoking a Rabel. Motherfuckers, we are out in Ohio, where the shit is so fly. We getting flyer and flyer and flyer and higher and higher and higher. We never stop climbing the ladder. We are building bonfires. Cause I don't care who they are, they better get with the star. Cause they're caviar, out in the car, hotter the bar. Golfing, gonna make the par. All these other rappers are lame.